Welcome to Action Camera Journey. Today, we're taking a first look at the Insta360 Mic Air and transmitter. Let's open the case and check out everything inside. First, we have the clip mount. It's small, lightweight, and super easy to attach to your shirt or jacket. Next, there's the magnetic neck strap mount. Once the magnet locks in place, it feels really secure and doesn't fall off easily, even while moving around. Inside the box, you also get the charging cable. The microphone and transmitter connect magnetically for charging, making the setup simple and clean. And for windy outdoor conditions, Insta360 includes a dead cat wind cover. This helps reduce wind noise and keeps your audio much clearer outside. Now let's connect the transmitter to the phone. The cool part is, there's basically no setup required. As soon as I plug it in, the phone instantly detects the transmitter, and the microphone connects automatically. If you're using two microphones, each light represents one connected mic, so you can quickly see which microphones are active. Next, let's connect the Mic Air to the Insta360 X5. First, turn on the microphone. Then press the button twice quickly until the blue light starts blinking. Once it's blinking, go to the Bluetooth menu on the camera and search for devices. After connecting, the camera shows extra microphone controls and shortcuts directly on screen. You can even start or stop recording from the microphone itself, which is really useful for action shots and vlogging. So far, the setup feels super fast, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. If you enjoy action camera content, reviews, and sound tests like this, don't forget to subscribe to Action Camera Journey. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.